Kimber. Not down there. Come on.
Kimber's getting wind again.
Yeah. Come on, Aspen. Aspen.
Good girl, Aspen. Come on, sweetie pie. Oh, we got a point.
We got a point, Aspen. Got beautiful. Whoa, good girl. Good girl, Kimber.
Nice work. Good job, guys.
Come on. Bring the bird.
Come on, Kimber.
Bring the bird.
Come on, Kimber. Good girl.
Come on, Kimber.
Come on, Kimber.
Kimber, bring the bird. Come on.
These guys are just having too much fun with these big birds.
They don't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
They truly don't know what to do. They're so big. Come on, babies.
She's got a mouthful of feathers. That tastes good, doesn't it?
Come on, guys. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on.
Kimber, come. Come on, Aspen. Good girl.
Oh, what a
yeah.
Good girl. What a
Good girl.
Come here, Kimber. Get over here.
She's enjoying her prize. She did good.
Oh, good
Good girl.
Good girl. No. Wow, I kind of obliterated this guy.
Good girls.
Right. Stop.
Paul, I think I actually got